farmlands.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint Pascal is a small town, located on the beautiful Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. This peaceful community is known for its stunning natural surroundings and charming atmosphere. Saint Pascal is located along the Rivière Saint Pascal, which flows into the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The river, surrounded by forests and rolling hills, creates a beautiful backdrop for the town. It's a perfect spot for those who love nature, hiking, and outdoor adventures. The town has a rich history, and you can experience a bit of that by visiting the local churches and historical sites. The Église de Saint Pascal is an iconic building in the town, and its architecture offers a glimpse into the region's past. Saint Pascal may be small, but it's big on natural beauty. It's the perfect place to escape and enjoy the serenity of the Gaspé Peninsula, whether you're exploring the outdoors, learning about local history, or simply relaxing by the river.